MRI of the prostate is an advanced imaging technique used to evaluate prostate anatomy and detect abnormalities such as prostate cancer, prostatitis, benign prostatic hyperplasia, and local tumor staging. Multiparametric MRI, commonly known as mpMRI, combines multiple imaging sequences, including T2 weighted imaging, diffusion weighted imaging, DWI, and dynamic contrast enhanced imaging, DCE, to provide detailed anatomical and functional information. Proper planning and positioning are essential to obtain high-quality diagnostic images. Patient preparation. Before starting the MRI examination, proper patient preparation is necessary. The patient should remove all metallic objects, including watches, belts, coins, and mobile phones. Screening for MRI contraindications, such as pacemakers, cochlear implants, or metallic implants, must be performed. In some centers, patients are advised to avoid heavy meals before the scan to reduce bowel motion artifacts. Sometimes, antispasmodic agents may be administered to reduce bowel peristalsis and improve image quality. Patient positioning. The patient is positioned supine on the MRI table, with the head entering the scanner first. A phased array pelvic coil is commonly used for signal reception. In some advanced centers, an endorectal coil may also be used for higher spatial resolution. The pelvis should be centered in the coil, and the patient must remain still during the examination to avoid motion artifacts. Comfort and proper immobilization are very important. Localizer sequence. The first step in MRI planning is obtaining localizer or scout images. These are typically acquired in three planes: axial, sagittal, coronal. Localizer images help identify the prostate gland and surrounding anatomical structures, such as the bladder, seminal vesicles, rectum, and pelvic bones. These images guide the planning of further diagnostic sequences. Sagittal planning. The sagittal T2 weighted sequence is usually planned first. The sagittal plane allows visualization of the entire prostate gland from anterior to posterior. It helps assess prostate size, relationship with the bladder base, seminal vesicles, rectal wall. Sagittal images are also used as reference for planning axial and coronal sequences. Axial planning. The axial plane is the most important imaging plane for prostate MRI. Axial T2 weighted images are planned perpendicular to the long axis of the prostate gland. Coverage should include from the base of the prostate to the apex of the prostate. Axial images provide excellent visualization of the peripheral zone, transition zone, central zone, and anterior fibromuscular stroma. This plane is also essential for detecting suspicious lesions and evaluating extracapsular extension. Coronal planning. The coronal T2 weighted sequence is planned parallel to the long axis of the prostate. Coronal images are useful to evaluate seminal vesicle invasion, prostate symmetry, pelvic anatomy. This plane also helps assess the relationship between the prostate gland and surrounding pelvic structures. Diffusion weighted imaging, DWI. Diffusion weighted imaging is a key component of multiparametric prostate MRI. DWI evaluates the diffusion of water molecules within tissue. Cancerous tissue typically shows restricted diffusion, appearing bright on high B-value images and dark on the ADC map. This sequence significantly improves prostate cancer detection and lesion characterization. Dynamic contrast enhanced imaging, DCE. Dynamic contrast enhanced MRI involves the intravenous injection of gadolinium contrast agent. Rapid sequential imaging is performed to observe contrast uptake and washout patterns within the prostate tissue. Malignant lesions often show early enhancement and rapid washout compared to normal tissue. Image evaluation. After completing all sequences, images are analyzed using the pRADS scoring system. pRADS helps radiologists standardize the interpretation of prostate MRI and determine the likelihood of clinically significant prostate cancer. Scores range from pRADS 1 to pRADS 5, with higher scores indicating a greater probability of malignancy. Conclusion. MRI of the prostate plays a crucial role in the early detection, staging, and management of prostate diseases, especially prostate cancer. Accurate planning of imaging planes and proper use of multiparametric sequences ensure high-quality diagnostic images and improve clinical decision-making.